2026 Renault Captur. New look, hybrid power, and shocking price. The 2026 Renault Captur is back in the headlines, with fresh rumors revealing major upgrades in design, performance, and technology. As one of Europe's best-selling compact crossovers, the next-gen Captur is expected to adopt a more refined look and electrified powertrains, setting it apart in a highly competitive segment. Renault seems ready to push this model to the next level in both style and sustainability.
Before we delve further into our journey, we kindly invite you to subscribe to Autospector, your gateway to automotive excellence.
Price speculation suggests that the new Captur will start at around €24,000, with higher trims, especially hybrid or plug-in hybrid variants, reaching up to €32,000. With Renault focusing on affordability while introducing premium features and advanced tech, this pricing could make the 2026 Captur one of the best value offerings in its class. Under the hood, the 2026 Captur is expected to carry over its e-tech hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains, possibly with improved efficiency and performance. Rumors also hint at a new mild hybrid 1.2L turbocharged engine for the base model. The plug-in hybrid could offer an electric-only range of up to 65 kilometers, making it ideal for city commutes and eco-conscious drivers. Design updates are rumored to include a sharper front grille, slimmer LED headlights, and sportier bumper designs, bringing the Captur in line with Renault's evolving design language. Inside, a larger infotainment screen, digital instrument cluster, and new sustainable upholstery options are expected to elevate the cabin's tech-savvy and eco-friendly appeal. Industry insiders predict the official reveal of the 2026 Renault Captur will happen in late 2025, likely at the Paris Motor Show, with European deliveries starting in early 2026. Renault may also offer limited edition launch trims, packed with extra features to boost early interest in sales. The 2026 Renault Captur could be a standout in the subcompact SUV category thanks to its updated design, hybrid options, and competitive pricing. If the rumors hold true, it will offer buyers a stylish, practical, and eco-conscious crossover built for modern driving. Stay tuned for more news as we await the official announcement.